What is up, everybody? It's Blue and Mining here, and I got a couple of packages here. Now, both of these are from Decentral Technology. I'll have them linked down in the description below. These are two packages they sent me for review, so we're going to unbox them and see what they're looking like. So, we'll start off with a small one, of course, just because who doesn't want to start with the small one? So, I do know what these are. The second one, I'm kind of don't know the exact specs, but this one I know is going to be the BitAxe. It's a little like lottery miner basically, so I'm looking forward to this one because he did custom make it for me after all, custom color and everything. So right off the bat, packaging is really good for what it is. Oh, it's cool. Sent me some stickers. So yeah, so we got Decentral. They're the ones that sent me out. Sent me some, excuse me, sent me some 3D printed knickknacks and stuff and some more stickers. So that's pretty cool. Let me just get these out of the way. Alright, so let's check it out. This is the BitAxe 1366, I believe. Ooh, look at that thing. So this thing gets about 500 gigahash at 10 watts, I believe. It also has Wi-Fi as well. Thing looks pretty cool. I like it. It looks cool. So it's supposed to resemble an S19. Or not S19, the S9. So it comes with a little power brick, plugs right into the wall. And, I think this is for mounting it. Probably. I'm not 100% sure, but I will be doing a review video on this, so stay tuned for that. We'll set it off to the side real quick. Now we're going to get to the big box, because that's probably what everyone's most interested in. I'm interested in it because I'm not 100% sure what the specs are. I was given kind of an idea. So, I'm going to check it out. I know it's a heater of some sort that mines Bitcoin. So it's a Bitcoin heater. I know people got some mixed opinions on these, but I was more than willing to do a review on it. Wow, this thing is really packed in there good. What is this thing? So this looks like a Wi-Fi bridge. Alright. And this has Brains OS. Alright. Sweet. Comes with a little power cord as well. Goes to 110 volt or 120 volt. Alright. Yeah, this thing's actually very small. I thought it was a lot bigger than what it actually is. That is for sure. It's extremely small compared to what I thought it would be, but it's perfect size to fit back behind where my cat's cat tower is. So I'm gonna take this foam out, make it a lot easier to get the thing out in one piece. Alright, so this looks like it might be the S9 version. Oh, that's pretty heavy. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Alright. So yeah, I believe this is the S9. They do have multiple different versions, of course, ranging from the S17. I'm just going to double check and see what one it is. If I can get this tape off here. There we go. Lots of packing tape, gotta get that out of the way. Because there's some foam on the inside of this. Alright. This thing's got a massive fan on it. But yeah, so this does look like an S9 in here. If you guys want to take a little peek in there, it's got this huge fan on it. So yeah, the S9 version. So I will have a review coming up for this, hopefully soon. I dropped something in there while I get it out, but yeah, so that's the two packages I got from Decentral Mining. Looks like he does have his stuff on the bottom there. I'll try and get you guys, have you guys on the camera mount here. But yeah, so Decentral working with Crypto Cloaks. I'll have a review video on this and this little guy right here very shortly. So stay tuned and thank you guys for watching this little unboxing video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.